Morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat guys. Andito naman po ako. Ngayon po, gagawa tayo ng pancake. Ayan, ito po yung mga ingredients. We start. Keep watching until the end. Guys, see you!
First, we have flour, 1 and 1/2 cup flour, or 190 grams. Next is 2 tablespoons baking powder. Strain lang natin guys para hindi magbubuo. Kasi yung iba kasi niya nagbubuo. And then, pinch of salt. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. That is optional. Kung hindi kayo mahilig sa tamis, huwag niyo na ring lagyan. And I use vanilla sugar. And then mix all the dry ingredients. In another bowl, we have 1 egg, 1 and 1/4 cups milk, or 310 ml milk. And then we have the 1/4 cup of butter, melted butter. Ayan, beat together until the egg is beaten. Mix the dry ingredients into the liquid ingredients. Just slowly mix until it's finished. Actually, I divided this one into 3 parts and slowly mixing. And then mix well until all is combined. Before I start cooking, I put margarine in the pan and then I put the liquid. Then cover and then wait until it's cooked before you turn it around. You can see it if it's ready to turn. You can see it, the bubbles. And now here it is, ready to eat. And now just repeat the procedure until the dough is finished. That's it, guys. I eat this with Nutella. Yeah, Nutella. It's more yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.